Welcome to Tackett's House of Horsepower. It's me, Steve Tackett, with my beautiful wife,
Sarah.
Today, we're going to take a little trip in Okie to a car show out in Columbia. We're going into town. Going to town in our little Okie station wagon. It's a car show. It's a cruiser. And there's supposed to be a car show with some food and food trucks and live music and
Prizes and trophies and
we're gonna win first place.
kids and puppies.
Best of show.
Of course.
Right there. If we don't win, it's probably rigged. I'm gonna demand a recount immediately. So stay tuned.
Little John Melon camp there for you. Hope you like Mellencamp. We're gonna play a couple more of his tunes. So kick it off, Tim.
They liked a certain note. We apparently played it a lot.
All over the place.
There we go. We're gonna keep playing some tunes. We are Memory Train. We have stickers right up here between these two speakers. If you like stickers, they're round. So if you like circles, that's cool.
Wave. Okie did not win a trophy. I think it's rigged. Obviously, everybody knows this is best of show right here. But we're heading home. I'm not sure what we're gonna get into the rest of the day, but we might do some swap meet shopping tomorrow. Maybe. It's kind of a drive, but we might go check that out. There's some stuff I need. I need stuff.
Always.
Lots of stuff. So anyway, see you tomorrow. Good morning. What are we doing?
We're buying car parts.
We're looking, hopefully, to buy some car parts. We got up early this morning on a Sunday. Sarah's favorite thing to do.
Get up early.
She loves it. And we drove all the way up here to Clarksville.
And it was my idea, actually. So,
which is like almost 2 hours away.
hour, yeah, 45 minutes. We took like the windy back road,
roads.
no freeway in sight way.
Supposedly, there's a car show swap meet thing over here. It doesn't look promising. I was hoping to buy a 30s coupe today,
You're always hoping to buy a 30 scoop.
but it's not looking good. But we are looking for C10 parts. I'm always looking for Nova parts. So there's a few things I need. Some front rims for that 100 series. Carburetor parts. I'm always looking for carburetor parts.
See, you never know. We might hit the jackpot.
It's not looking promising. There's like 2 people over there.
We're early.
It's looking kind of sparse. We'll say that.
Be optimistic.
She's always optimistic. There's like 2 people over here in this parking lot.
Those 2 people could have multiple things that we need. You never know. And look, like 4 trucks just pulled in.
You should see these trucks.
Stop.
You should see these trucks.
Probably not the best
I'm not
example.
gonna. I was gonna turn it around and show it, but I don't think it's a good idea.
One was blue cow pattern. I don't know.
I don't want to bash on people, so we won't. But
maybe they could. We could buy cows while we're here too.
yeah, we need to decorate the house and we need to decorate the new shop. So we need like oil and gas signs and stuff and things like that would be good.
I meant like farm animals. Buy cows.
No, we're not buying cows. No. If you want cows, you go across the street.
I do. I stand on our porch and look at the cows.
The
regularly.
neighbor's house. Go to the neighbor's house. Anyways, let's go walk around a little bit. I don't think there's much to film. 'Cause
We're early. We're early.
it's not looking good.
Be positive.
I'm positive it's not looking good. Well, how positive are you now?
I'm positive we did find things. We just chose not to purchase them.
It's definitely not the big 3. I'll tell you that. Like,
We weren't
you know,
expecting the big 3, but
back in the San Diego days at Qualcomm Stadium,
they have big swap meets out here like that. It just wasn't this
like
one.
the Super Chevy show up in Pomona. No, it was not that. So, I guess we're gonna head home, maybe get something to eat. I'm kind of hungry, and I don't know. The weekend's kind of over.
No, it's not. We still have like a full day.
It's a 2-hour drive back home.
Okay, like half a day.
Hmm.
Where's your optimism?
This is what I deal with. This is what it's like living with Sarah. Seriously. All right, well, let's see what we can do, I guess. We'll start heading that way. What's up? It's been a couple days. So, where did we leave off? Okay. We went to a car show. It was good. Live music was good. I like live music. They played all the good oldies and classics. I like it. That's the thing about Nashville. You can go to 7-Eleven and there'll be a live band playing. They do like live music here. So that was fun. And then Sunday we got up early, drove really far to a car show swap meet, and it was kind of a bust. To be fair, they had to reschedule it a couple times, and then they made it on a Sunday, and that's usually a bad thing out here. I mean, this is the Bible Belt. People like to spend their Sundays at church. So I understand why it was kind of slow. That's why I didn't want to film it. I don't want to bash on anybody, or, you know what I mean? I want to support the car culture. So I didn't want to bash on it too much, but it was a bust. So that pretty much shot the weekend. But what wasn't a bust is Marketplace. I got on Marketplace and found something. Now I'm stepping out of my normal. I don't know if I'm getting old and lazy or something, I don't know, but I bought something on Marketplace. I'm gonna show you what it is. Ooh, look at this. This is like brand spanking new. Very, very nice. Now, this is way out of my normal. Now, normally I buy some junk at the swap meet and cobble it together with a bunch of random mismatched parts, and it does pretty well. I get pretty lucky, and usually it runs good. But I just couldn't help it. It was shiny. It's the shininess. It got me. So I'm hoping to stick this guy on this guy and maybe solve some of those issues with the idling and the car not wanting to run type of situation. So I picked this up. It's a little bit more money than I wanted to spend, but I got it for basically half what the guy paid for it. He bought it new, stuck it on his car. It was on his 302 Mustang, and he's like, it was a way too big for his little 302. So it's barely been run, and he pulled it off like 2 weeks ago. There's still fuel in the squirters. So yeah, it isn't dried out. It doesn't need to be rebuilt. In fact, I'm probably just gonna stick it on and see what it does. So anyway, am I getting soft in my old age? I mean, that's like the second new carburetor that I've purchased. Look at this. See this one? Remember? New carburetors. What am I doing? Who am I? Yeah. So let's see. We got to post this video like tomorrow or day after. So that's probably going to do it for this video. Sorry, not much in this one. You know, car show, and then we drove up there wasted Sunday. So I didn't get anything done really. But next weekend, I'm going to make up for it. Friday night, we are going to attempt to take this out to Etheridge. So this Friday, Etheridge, Friday night. Saturday, there's a big car show. And then when I get back from the car show, we're going to see if that will make that run. Because I really want to see that little 100 Series Nova running and driving. So I'll make up for it next week, I promise. We'll get some footage at the track. First time going to Etheridge. And we'll get that new carburetor on there. So stay tuned. Thanks for hanging in there with me. We're getting there. Okay? I promise. So please hit like, hit comment, subscribe, all those things, and hit that bell so you know what's going on. And till next time, See ya.